I'm here today to give you an update on Link, a bit of Chainlink coming through. We're going to be looking at Chainlink from a technical analysis perspective, looking at potential highs, and then we're going to be doing a price prediction for the next 6 to 12 months to see how high this asset could potentially be going. And also, we're going to be looking at some very, very key essential buying zones and buying areas for this asset for the next couple of months or so before we start going to this massive alt season and we see Chainlink absolutely explode, right? So starting off with this video, guys, we're going to be looking at market structure, and as you can see, the market structure levels that I've got plotted in are these higher lows. These higher lows are these yellow lines here, guys. These are very important because these essentially determine whether you're in an uptrend or you're in a downtrend, okay? So right now, the key higher low point that we have seen that is confirmed, may I add, is you can see the massive pullback from this zone, and then we break this high, okay? The high that we break here, sending the price of Chainlink all the way up to around $22.92 there. Very, very important stuff because that essentially confirms the higher low. Now, this is where it gets a bit interesting, a little bit choppy here, because if we lose this higher low, guys, it's quite likely that we do see a reversal in the trend, okay? It's quite likely because it's already been confirmed and we have already tested it. So yeah, if we do lose this in terms of support, it's not the end of the world, guys. But the next point to really be looking out for there is the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. If we hit this Fibonacci retracement with 0.5 and we lose it, then I would expect downside, okay? I would expect downside for Chainlink coming through. Do I think that's going to happen in this market? Probably not, guys. It looks very, very progressive overall. Really, really nice chart, I would, if I may add. And just looking down to test this potential higher low. If you look at the area and look at the levels of support that we actually do have plotted in here, for starters, let's look at momentum. Momentum from this zone is literally 38% to the upside there. Before we continue with this video, guys, I want to talk to you about a cryptocurrency webinar that I am hosting every single day. And this is a simple 5-step strategy on how you can make a 5-figure a month income in as little as 42 days, okay? Every single attendee who attends this webinar will get a trading strategy worth $250, and also you'll be getting $300 worth of mindset trading strategies and abilities as well, given away on every single call here. And also, guys, guess what? It's completely free. So if this is something you're interested in, please go to the link in the description or click up there, click up there, and you'll see a nice link to the cryptocurrency webinar where you can learn a brand new strategy for free. But that's it for now. Back to the video. It's 26% to the upside there. So likelihood, we're likely to probably get, I don't know, maybe half of that, a 13% move to the upside there, and that will basically send us to the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement, again in terms of a test to the upside. So yeah, very bullish from that point onwards, but that's just talking momentum. Let's talk volume weighted ATR bands. Let's talk more Fibonacci there, guys, and as you can see, the 0.382 is there. The 4-hour volume weighted ATR band is there. You can see the support that we get on this. Really strong stuff, guys. So yeah, definitely a point to really be looking out for there. So yeah, I don't see us actually going below this area for Chainlink, and that's going to be around a $15. So in terms of a buying zone for this current uptrend, for this current bull market for Chainlink, I would say the buy zone that I'm going to be referencing here, guys, in future videos is going to be around $15.09. That's going to be a really strong area that I would be looking to accumulate more Chainlink if we do see this price dump down, okay? And that is just going to be simply a move of around 12% to the downside, which is still going to keep us in that bullish stance. Still going to be a very nice area. And hey, if we lose that, if we buy at that area, if we lose it, it's still fine, guys. It's still going to be in a nice uptrend, and essentially we can expect extremely higher prices. Extremely higher prices, I don't know if that makes sense. Extreme higher prices for this asset in the next 6 to 12 months. So now let's get into a price prediction for Link, and let's see how high this could potentially be going. Let's look at the potential, well, the previous all-time high that we do have on this chart for Link is currently set at, where is that? Set at $52. So is that back in 2021? Yes, that is $52. That will be the all-time high for Chainlink. So if you are to buy Chainlink at that level that I just suggested, obviously I'm not a financial advisor, guys, you're going to be looking at a 3.1x on your investment to the upside in the next 6 to 12 months. And guys, you know what happens when we test previous all-time highs from previous bull markets. it's very likely that we break them to the upside, okay? So yeah, just be cautious of that. Let's get a little bit of Fibonacci going on in there. And yeah, no, that's wrong. Let me delete that quickly. Let's do Fibonacci from the swing low to the current high, and let's look at some potential extension levels that we could be looking out for there on sort of the micro term. I mean, it is the macro, but not quite 6 to 12 months here. This will be in the next sort of probably 4 months or something like that. So you've got the extension levels of the 0.236, that is going to be at $26. You've got the 0.382, and that is going to be at $29. 0.5 is going to be all the way up at $31 as well. So it looks quite progressive to the upside for Link if we are going to be following those Fibonacci extension levels as we progress in this trend, okay? But yeah, that is going to be your Link update. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section, and if you like it, slap a like on it. I'm uploading every single day here, guys, and streaming every day as well. So yeah, make sure you hit the sub, hit the notification bell, and you know you're never going to miss one of my uploads. But yeah, that's going to be it from me. Peace. I'll see you in the next one.